Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm super excited to share with you my ultimate Talbina recipe, a delicious science-backed barley porridge that not only tastes amazing, but also comes with incredible health benefits. If you're looking for a Sunnah-approved meal that can soothe the heart, boost your digestion, and even help reduce stress, then keep watching. Talbina is a traditional barley porridge made from barley flour, milk, or water, and a touch of natural sweetness like honey or dates. This ancient recipe has been cherished for centuries and was recommended by the Prophet Muhammad, PBUH, for its comforting and healing properties. Today we're diving into how you can easily make it at home and why it's considered a superfood. For this Talbina recipe, here are the ingredients you'll need. Barley flour, the star ingredient that provides a rich source of fiber and nutrients. Milk or water. I recommend milk for a creamier texture, but water works perfectly if you're dairy-free. Natural sweetener. Choose honey, dates, or jaggery to add natural sweetness without refined sugars. Optional spices. A pinch of cinnamon or cardamom for extra flavor and digestive benefits. Optional toppings. Nuts, seeds, or fresh fruits to boost the nutritional value. These organic ingredients not only create a delicious Talbina, but also pack a nutritional punch that's backed by science. 1. Combine the base. In a saucepan, pour 1 cup of milk or water and add 2 tablespoons of barley flour. 2. Cooking. Stir continuously over medium-low heat. Keep whisking to prevent lumps until the mixture thickens into a smooth porridge. This usually takes about 5 to 10 minutes. 3. Sweeten and spice it up. Once thickened, add your natural sweetener, whether it's a teaspoon of honey or a few chopped dates. For extra flavor, sprinkle a pinch of cinnamon or cardamom. 4. Serve and garnish. Pour your Talbina into a bowl and top it with your favorite nuts or seeds for that extra crunch and nutrition. Enjoy it warm. Let's talk benefits. Studies have shown that Talbina is more than just a tasty porridge, mood and stress relief. Talbina is known to soothe the heart and reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety. In fact, research in elderly care facilities found that consuming Talbina significantly decreased depression and stress levels. Digestive health. The high fiber content, especially beta-glucans, promotes healthy digestion and supports your gut microbiome. Nutrient powerhouse. It's loaded with essential vitamins and minerals like magnesium, zinc, and B vitamins that boost energy and overall well-being. Heart health. Barley's soluble fiber helps lower LDL cholesterol, reducing your risk of heart disease. Blood sugar control and weight management. Thanks to its low glycemic index and filling properties, Talbina can help regulate blood sugar and curb hunger cravings. Now, you might be wondering, when is the best time to take Talbina? Morning boost. Start your day with a warm bowl of Talbina for a nourishing breakfast that gives you sustained energy. Sahur. During Ramadan, it's an excellent pre-dawn meal that keeps you full and provides a steady energy release throughout the day. Before bed, enjoying Talbina before bed can promote relaxation and improve sleep quality, making it a perfect nighttime comfort food. So there you have it, the ultimate Talbina recipe with all the organic ingredients, science-backed health benefits, and tips on the best times to enjoy it. If you loved this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on healthy recipes and wellness tips. Drop a comment below if you've tried Talbina before, or if you're excited to give this recipe a go. And if you have any variations or additional health benefits to share, I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and thanks for watching.